Hi, welcome to day one of me trying to glow up before my birthday. So, what the plan is that right now I am going to buy some clothes. I hope I find something to wear for my birthday because I do not have anything. So, I'm going to West Side right now and I might go to Max as well. So, let's see. We are waiting for our cab. अभी 2 मिनट और है आने के लिए. Hello, we are right now at the mall and हम लोग वेस्ट साइड जा रहे हैं. I don't know if this is a top or a skirt. I really like this top. Let's see if this fits. वो कलर तो बहुत ভাল লাগিছে. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this dress. It's kind of cute on me though. Really like this skirt. I really love polka dots, so a very pretty skirt for me. And पीछे का भी इतना तो short नहीं है. This skirt actually looks good, but I won't be wearing, like I won't be feeling comfortable wearing it. I'm getting 2 skirts and 1 dress, and I've got also a heel, a kitten heel. This one. Looks. We are right now at McDonald's and थोड़ा खाने का ब्रेक ले रहे हैं. मैं आता है वो वीडियो टा बना हाँ ना हाँ 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 ना लगे मैं आता हूँ सेम स्कर्ट আছে किन्हें तो ढूंढना नहीं था ऑफ वाइट. This is what my mom is getting for me. Very pretty with desi core, and I'm getting this. So I like a big and needed step for me is to color my hair for my birthday because yeah. This hair literally has gone through so much. It has like 5 different colors. It has bleach. It has chlorine because of how much I have swam in the past 2 weeks. So I need to go back to black because, or like something closer to black. So we are coloring our hair, and this is of course not sponsored, but I'm coloring using this. It's dark brown color, and मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा like मैं पूरा यूज़ करूँ या फिर थोड़ा यूज़ करूँ because बाल उतने तो है नहीं, but इसमें डेवलपर बहुत कम है. So like I am wondering if I should use like both of them, or should I use like I should use the entire thing, or should I just just take it in a bowl, and then I think I should use all of it because I have a bit of hair. Plus, I am already in my hair coloring cloth, and I am going to shoot like a reel for my Instagram, so you can follow me there. I make fun content there. एंड मेरे को ना प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मतलब ब्लीच है चल जाता, बट द फ्रंट पीसेस आर लाइक टू ब्लॉन्ड, लाइक अभी वीडियो में नहीं लग रहा होगा बट इट इज़ रियली ब्लॉन्ड एंड इट्स नॉट रियली सूटिंग मी, तो आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू। आज मैंने 2 स्कर्ट्स खरीदे, एक ड्रेस खरीदा, एक किटन हील्स खरीदा विच वॉज सो रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज आई डो नॉट हैव गुड पेयर ऑफ footwear, so I got one so that I can wear it whenever I feel fancy. And दूसरा तो regular चप्पल्स है मेरे पास, only 2 footwears that I would be carrying for my trip. So अभी मैं टाइम लैप्स में लगा लूँगी और फिर मैं थोड़ा वो करूँगी लाइक behind the scenes का vlogging, and I'm having Diet Coke. Bro, it has become an addiction and I do not want to be addicted to anything. I just don't know why I cannot stop. But I guess that's a sad reality. मैं थोड़ा YouTube स्टूडियो खोल के बैठ गई थी, तो I was focusing on that. But I need to step up my content creation thing because I was posting so regularly and अचानक मैंने पोस्ट करना बंद कर दिया ब्रो। एक हफ्ते में एक वीडियो से काम नहीं चलेगा। I have to at least minimum post 2 videos per week. So I'm lagging behind, but इस week से I'm pretty sure I will be quite productive and I'm assuring. But a thing about like long form YouTube content is that you run out of ideas because first of all efforts बहुत ज़्यादा है, second of all editing, oh my god, editing is like big task. So that is what sometimes like stops me. I like editing sometimes. I like editing short form content, बट लॉन्ग फॉर्म में थोड़ा ज़्यादा एफर्ट जाता है, लाइक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एफर्ट जाता है, तो मन नहीं करता, बट आई हैव टू बिकॉज यूट्यूब इज़ वेयर आई स्टार्टेड learning what content creation is, and I've always wanted to be like a YouTuber, not an Instagram reel creator but more of a YouTuber. So you have to work to complete your dreams or achieve your dreams, so I need to put in the efforts क्योंकि कौन करेगा मेरे चैनल के लिए. The other thing that I've noticed is my glasses, like the glasses are turning yellow, and that is why मुझे ना yellow ही दिखता है, like anything I see is more yellow than it is originally. So that's a big problem honestly, but whatever. I've already yapped so much, oh my god. This video has just begun and I've already started yapping like, Ankrita, shut up. Okay, anyways, now we mix. And मैं इस तरफ देख रही हूँ because मेरा phone है इधर. Whatever, I'm using this. Let's mix, and I hope that the proportions are correct because I'm not a hairdresser. I can never be. Bhai, I don't have the patience. बाल कोम करना ही भूल गई. I think डेवलपर और डाल सकते हैं. Smells good, huh? डेवलपर और डाल दो क्या? Oop! At this point तो मैं पूरा ही डाल सकती थी. I should have done it in the bottle itself because इससे तो नहीं होने वाला. Making myself feel like I have a lot of hair. Bro, like how do I understand if I should use the whole thing or not, because I do not know मेरे बाल में कितना जाना चाहिए. So I'm just using the bowl because I don't want to waste things. Smells like jasmine. I love how jasmine smells, honestly. Already started coloring my hair and I forgot about YouTube. Can you believe? फिर मैं बोलती हूँ मैं यूट्यूबर बनूंगी. ओह, It's been a while since I've had my normal hair, like dark hair. Last I had it like फेब में भी नहीं ब्रो. मैंने तो न्यू ईयर्स के पहले भी कलर किया था, लाइक द चेरी कोक वन फ्रॉम पैराडाइज. ये रात के 3 बजे गाना कौन चला रहा है? What song are they playing, bro? I should have mixed it in the bottle because आधे से ज़्यादा तो ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो चुका है. Now the second half. I was not joking when I said कि मैं सारा साथ में करूँगी. The thing is, I'm so blind that I can't see if कुछ हो रहा है नहीं. So I'm just trusting my hands. Let's do the front pieces and then बाकी जो भी रह गया वो तब करेंगे. भाई ये तो अच्छे से हुआ भी नहीं. ये तो शेप भी पकड़ लिया भाई. Okay. Hi y'all. So the last time I spoke to you guys was yesterday, no, day before yesterday, when I was doing my hair, and this is how it has turned out. I'm not sure if I like the black hair, but there's no other option to it anymore. And now I'm doing my nails, and I've already buffed my nails, and I am trying to do something more like cool toned pink Frenchies with diamonds, pearls, and some golden elements to it. Let's see how long it takes me. Right now, let me show the time. It's 4:18. अभी 4:20 p.m. तो I think it's gonna take me at least 4 hours. So let's see. I am trying to do it as fast as possible, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna take time, and I want to do it properly because I want it to remain for at least 2 weeks. So yeah. Hello y'all. So my nails are finally done. I think it looks pretty good, and it took me so long to complete my nails, but now that I'm finally done, I was also doing a lot of work in between. Like I was working for my office things, I was posting my reel, I was editing my reel, I was exporting files from my camera, from my phone to my laptop to my hard disk, and now I'll pack my bags. And yes, I haven't started packing my bags yet. I have this bag which I'm going to take with me, and I need to put all the essential things because I'm going for a long time. So yeah, now I'll again sit and transfer all the videos from this camera to my computer, from my computer to my hard disk, so it's gonna take a while. Bro, I just got done with transferring the files, and for some reason इस कैमरा में 99% था and अब 100% हो. अच्छा, कंप्यूटर ने किया. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Why did I laugh like that? But अभी बज रहे हैं 3:20 and अभी मैं बैग फटाफट पैक करूँगी क्योंकि कल सुबह फिर मेरे से होगा नहीं। एंड ऑल्सो एग्ज़ाम में मैंने कभी रीचेक नहीं किया अपने आंसर्स, बट मैं बैग में क्या क्या डाली वो मैं फॉर श्योर रीचेक करूँगी, बिकॉज आई कैंट मेस दिस अप as if my life depends on it, like as if my whole entire life depends on it. So अभी मैं वो करती हूँ, and I don't feel like I should show me packing my bags. Also, I'll show what I got from West Side. Mila, say hi. Say hi. Okay, so whatever. Bags are packed. I have literally took out so many things, and I've also put in so many things because I'm really very bad at packing, because I think कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ भूल ना जाऊँ, तो मैं ओवर पैक कर लेती हूँ. And I shouldn't be over packing, because I need to bring in stuff back as well. Like I need to bring gifts for people. So but my skincare is done right now. I will do my makeup, and I feel like I'm going to show my makeup today because I feel like it. And right now it's 2:40 p.m. and I have to start getting रेडी. लाइक सब कुछ मुझे और एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा कि मैंने सब कुछ कैरी किया है या नहीं. सो आई विल डू दैट. एंड मुझे 4:30 तक रेडी होना पड़ेगा, विच साउंड्स like a lot of time, but it's not really, because we all know it's not. So I'll get going, honestly. Quickly doing my makeup. थोड़ा सा तो presentable होना चाहिए. Can't see anything because I'm blind, of course. I already applied some tint on my cheeks, and my cheeks का सही से लगा नहीं, but ठीक है. How are my lashes looking? I love this mascara. Makeup is done. Now I will actually rush for my journey, for my car, because I need to reach थोड़ा जल्दी, because मैं थोड़ा घबरा जाती हूँ अकेले ट्रैवलिंग करते हुए. So I'm gonna hurry up. Makeup is looking decent, I think. Bye. See you guys once I am at the airport.